How to install your HR Max wood Pilaster system from Hardware Resources. For double door cabinets with European hinges on both sides, use part number PL254. For cabinets with European hinges on one side of the cabinet, use part number PL12525. For cabinets with either two doors with compact hinges or a single door with compact hinges, use part number PL1254. Step 1. Install the front wood uprights. Place the front wood upright 3.5 inches from the front of the cabinet to the front of the upright with adjustment holes facing the front of the cabinet. Secure with 3 screws. Repeat on the other side. If you're installing multiple Pilaster kits, place a wooden dowel in the hole on the top of the installed wood upright. Then place the wood upright from the second Pilaster system on the top of the wooden dowel. This will ensure the uprights are aligned. Secure with 3 screws. Repeat on the other side. Step 2. Install wood upright attachment brackets. Attach wood upright attachment bracket on the top of the wood upright using 3 6 by 3/8 inch pan headwood screws. Attach wood upright attachment bracket at the bottom of the Pilaster using 3 6 by 3/8 inch pan headwood screws. Repeat on the other side. Note, the back upright will be installed in Step 4. Step 3. Install the slide brackets, and if needed, the spacers. The 2 holes here on the slide bracket align with these 2 holes on the slide. Note, if the drawer is slightly undersized, causing a gap no greater than 1/4 inch, use the optional 3mm spacers between the slide brackets and the slides. If using ball bearing slides, separate the cabinet and drawer members. Set the drawer member to the side for installing to the drawer in Step 5. Install the front left slide brackets to the front of the left slide as shown using the supplied machine screws. Install the rear left slide bracket to the back left of the slide using the supplied machine screws. Repeat on the right side with the front right slide bracket and the rear right slide bracket. Step 4. Install rear wood uprights. Place the front left side bracket in the second or third hole from the bottom on the front wood upright. Measure to make sure it's the same distance. Ensure the brackets are fully against the front and rear uprights. Secure with 3 8 pan headwood screws. Remove the slide from the upright so you can access the bottom of the rear upright. Then attach a wood upright attachment bracket on the bottom and top of the Pilaster using 3 6 by 3/8 inch pan headwood screws. Repeat on the other side. Step 5. Insert drawer slides and attach drawer box. Insert the left and right drawer slides to the desired location. Ensure all slide attachment brackets are in the same location on the wood uprights. Install the drawer boxes on the slides. For undermounts, make sure the clips attach to the slides. You should hear an audible click. For ball bearings, install the drawer members to the drawer box and secure with 8 by 7/16 inch truss head screws sold separately. Then insert the drawer member into the slide member, ensuring the members click together. Repeat for each drawer box. Your installation is now complete.